Hey Betty Babes, Stephanie here to tell you all about our They're Real Double the Lip. These lipstick and liners in one give you an optical illusion of instantly fuller lips. Make sure to keep watching to check out all of the shades. These lippies feature a custom teardrop tip with the lipstick and liner in one. The lighter base color will work as the lipstick, and the darker tip color will be your liner. To apply, start at the center of your upper lip with the darker color oriented towards the edge of your lip and apply from the center outwards. Repeat on the bottom lip and then lightly rub your lips together to blend. It's that easy. I love Juicy Berry's wine stained color. It's a little bit more edgy and definitely has a vampy touch. Lusty Rose is the perfect everyday pinky nude. It's easy, it's low maintenance, and it just gives you a subtle hint of color. I've been loving Flame Game for a bolder look. The shade makes me feel so fierce. Pink Thrills is the perfect pop of bright pink. I love this shade for spring and summer. I'm loving Rewed-Up Red for that classic and old school red lip. Nude Scandal is the perfect brownish nude for everyday wear, but also evening. Fuschia Fever is your electric and playful pink. Criminally Coral is one of my faves. I love that it's buildable from a super nude and natural look to a very bold and true coral color. I am loving the full look that I'm getting from these lippies. So obsessed. I absolutely love this shade. I feel sassy, I feel vampy, and I love the fact that I don't have to carry around a lipstick and a liner. We want to know what shade you are dying to try. Let us know, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.